The Masking Corners Stencil is a handy tool for a quick and clean ink blending. Tear or trim apart at your connection points to get two corner masks and a square mask with a small circle opening in the center. Use the corner pieces to isolate the rectangle or square area, such as the windows on our postage collage die. If you want to mask an area across all stencils, place the mask corners first and then stack your stencil on top of each layer. These masking corners are especially helpful when used with our shader brushes. The small circle opening on the square mask helps isolate the fine details on a stencil. These masking corners are great for any design with straight edges, such as the postage collage stencils and the overlapping vertical word dies. Don't forget to clean them each time you switch to a new color.